So, I mean, you got a bolt right there. So I think the best way is to gonna be, it looks like probably they got bolts that drill through the thing.
Oh, so I had no idea it was like that, bolts.
Yeah. So I think the best way is gonna be to make a cut. I'll get a choke. Then we'll put like we'll drill pins or we'll weld some plates here like that.
Mm-hmm.
And
inside.
then you'll drill a hole. No, here.
Okay.
And we'll weld that to the shaft, right?
I see what you're saying. I've seen that.
Then you got like that. So then the shaft won't turn, right? So you'll put that there, and then you'll glass it, and then you'll be done.
So the original shaft had.
Yeah, the original shaft is like it's kind of yeah. You see the bolt right there.
It had holes through it.
Yeah, which is not the best one.
Yeah, that's probably the original one from 1969.
All right, so here's your grinder.
All right.
And then, but then that's on you, right? I should have you sign a paper that.
Want me to sign?
So you seen that documentary we made with your interview and everything?
Yeah, yeah. I've seen it. I watched it a few times. I showed it to my mom. Oh, you know how they got the jet skis behind the Marriott? The Barefoot Billies?
Yeah.
They're leaving. They're out of there Saturday.
Why?
They're going to I guess the Marriott's going to make that a beach.
They want the beach.
There's not going to be no more jet ski rental there.
No, there's going to be, but they're going to be the Marriott making the money.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, I guess they got it.
People never have enough, right?
Yeah. That's been there for a long time, the jet skis, right? I see it in the old pictures of my boat. They've been there for a while. Yeah, because my boat has been there like 26, 27 years. Behind that Marriott, something like that. Some lady sailed it from Canada to New York, and New York to here and sold it to Albert. You remember Albert Mello? He just got killed last year across from the 24. Got hit by a bicycle.
Oh.
By
a bicycle?
I mean, he was on a bicycle. He crossed the road and he got hit right there at that intersection across from the 24.
Oh.
And from a young kid. It was doing like 100 miles an hour in a car. Fiberglass. 1, 2.
Tilt it a little bit that way. Ok, bon, ben, the whole thing. What did I do with that big arch? Oh, probably that's big spatula. Thanks, man. Oh, it's not mixed, man. Shit. Oh, crap. No. That's the problem. You get old and you can't see what you're doing.
Yeah, I just had to get glasses. I couldn't see nothing.
Alright. Bon, we'll just sand it like that, leave it alone. We'll sand it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what we could do? We could stick some fiberglass in it now. Wow. Could we do that? Yeah, it's probably a bad idea. Yeah. Yeah, too late. Shit. Man. Where's the thing? I'll have to do it with that. So yeah, we got a problem.